Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can easily add or remove guests to your Airbnb reservation. The navigation is the same whether you do it from the phone app or from the computer. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your profile image. Click on that and then choose trips. That will open up the reservations page for you and you will see your upcoming reservations at the top. Click on the reservation that you want to change and that will open up the reservation details page. On the left hand side, keep scrolling down until you see this option manage guests. Click on that and on this pop-up click on more options, which is on the left bottom corner, and here the second option is change guest count. This is where you will be able to change the number of people you have booked on your reservation. That will open up the new page and here you can just simply change the guest count. It won't let you change the guest beyond a certain limit because it is limited by the capacity of the property you have booked. In my case, I have booked a 1-bedroom apartment, so I can't increase it more than 2 because that is the maximum capacity it can sleep. However, you can add infants or pets if the property allows them, and in case the host charges extra per person and if you're increasing the guest count, there can be a price difference which will be visible here. Once you're all done with the changes, click on send request. It will be sent to the host for approval once they have accepted your alteration request, and the guest count on your reservation will be updated straight away. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye bye.